cool tools of the new generation. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to the Tech Warlord. In today's video we are going to talk about cool tools of the new generation. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Impress your coworkers on the job site with your impressive array of specialty tools that are cool tools of the new generation. Number 15, shim in a bag. No, it's not a blood pressure tester, it's an inflatable shim sold by Calculated Industries. What in the world would you do with an air shim? Well, you could hold a window in position by yourself while setting the permanent shims, or prop up a door slab during installation without scratching the hardwood floor. Use it to align base cabinets or level appliances. You could even trick your big burly buddy by betting him that your 10-year-old can pick him up off the ground. You will win the bet because the air shim is easy enough for anyone to pump and it holds up to 300 pounds. Deflated as slow as you want for uber precision adjustments. Number 14, new life for old tools. Do you have older 18-volt DeWalt tools that are still near and dear to your heart but need new batteries? Consider firing up those old tools with 21st century tech. Now, 18-volt tools can be run on powerful 20-volt lithium-ion batteries with DeWalt's new battery adapter. The adapter slides into the tool and the battery hooks onto the adapter. It works on most 18-volt DeWalt tools, but not all. It's sold two ways: the adapter alone, the DCA 1820, or the adapter with two compact 20-volt 2.0 Ah batteries and charger. Now you'll be able to hold on to your favorite cordless reciprocating saw forever. Number 13, comfortable work boots. Work at a place where you're required to wear a steel toe boot? Then listen up. Wolverine just introduced a new boot that's much more comfortable but still offers solid impact protection. Instead of steel, Carbon Max boots have a protective cap made of carbon nanotubes, making them lighter and thinner. And if anyone knows about making comfortable work boots, it's Wolverine. They've been making them for more than 130 years. Number 2, cordless track saw. Breaking down heavy sheet goods on a job site table saw is difficult and dang near impossible when working alone. That's where a track saw comes in handy. A good quality track saw can produce cabinet saw results out on any job. Now this portable tool is even more portable. The Festool TSC55 is a cordless saw that has the same features and performs just as well as the Festool's corded saw, including the cut capacity and blade speed. It also has a collecting bag that actually works, collecting up to 90% of the dust. The batteries are compatible with other Festool products and the saw runs on their standard tracks. Number 11, carbon fiber composite level. Lightweight but tough. DeWalt just introduced a new lightweight level. Interesting, but for folks accustomed to lugging around sheets of 9-foot plywood and 80-pound bags of mortar, aluminum levels aren't really all that heavy. But the carbon fiber composite that makes this new level light is the same reason that it's tough enough to spring back from impacts that would permanently throw an aluminum level out of whack. The DWHT 43134 level is also MAR resistant, partially because of the design, partially because it's 35% lighter than its aluminum counterpart. Number 10, switch socket sizes hands-free. Klein Tools' new impact sockets save you time and space in your pouch. Each of the 3 new sockets is capable of switching between different size nuts and bolts, completely hands-free. Klein Tools' newest impact sockets are available in 3 different models that cover 8 different head sizes. Number 9, channel lock reversible jaw adjustable wrench. Channel Lock thinks that they've got the solution to help unclutter your tool belt. The new Channel Lock reversible jaw adjustable wrench is just like a normal wrench, but also features a part of the jaw with angled teeth. All you have to do is reverse the jaw and the teeth will let you get a tight grip on objects that a regular wrench would just slide off of. These new wrenches are available in 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes. They are available at most major hardware retailers in the US and Canada. Price and availability will vary by retailer. Number 8, hassle-free ceramic drilling. Drilling into tile is sort of a three-handed operation. Hold the drill, spray the water, and make sure the water stays where it's supposed to. The Aqua Shot from Miyanaga is a great solution to your ceramic drilling woes. The AquaShot drill bit has a built-in water tank that feeds water to the drill as you operate, making the whole process much smoother. Just load the chamber up with water, flip a switch and drill away. The AquaShot works with impact drivers, and the individual tip can be replaced when they get worn out without having to replace the whole tool. The AquaShot is available online for $82.80. Click here for a video of the AquaShot in action. Number 7. Post-it Extreme. There was a big crowd, rocking music, and a lot of excitement over the Extreme Post-it notes at the 3M booth at the 2018 International Builders Show. Apparently, these things stick to wood, hot stuff, cold stuff, wet stuff, brick, metal, plastic pipes, ladders, stair treads, floors, the sides of a truck, copper, tools, siding, co-workers, concrete, tile, drywall, asphalt, house wrap, light fixtures, switches, cabinets, leather belts, windows. Well, you get the idea. Post-it Extreme notes will be available at major retailers beginning in March 2018. Number 6. Tubing Cutter Twofer. Rigid has a new C-style close-quarter tubing cutter that slices through both half-inch and 3/4-inch tubing, which means one less tool to carry and fumble around for. The cutting wheel is spring-loaded, so it needs no adjustment as you spin the cutter, and the outside surface has screwdriver slots for getting leverage in tight spaces. The half to 3/4-inch rigid tubing cutter costs $32 and is available at plumbing supply stores and online retailers. Number 5. One tool to drive them all. The Bosch Max FlexiClick 5-in-1 drill driver system has one tool and 5 attachments. That means it can perform all kinds of tasks, like screw driving, drilling, right angle drilling driving, and offset driving close to edges. The Tools isn't going to replace a deck builder's 20-volt impact driver and drill, but it might be a great option for those smaller projects that require a bunch of different operations, like knocking off a punch list at the end of a build out. If you're moving around and don't have the space to haul around a bunch of dedicated tools, this might be just what you're looking for. The Bosch 5-in-1 drill driver system is available online and in home centers for $199. Number 4. Skid Steer of the Future. What makes this JCB teleskid machine unique isn't its one-of-a-kind telescoping boom, which gives it the ability to reach a variety of places. The teleskid's telescoping boom gives you 8 feet of outward reach. Plus, its one-arm design gives you 60% more visibility than similar twin-arm machines. With a fully extendable boom, the teleskid can lift up to 1,600 pounds. With the boom retracted, that weight capacity goes up to an impressive 3,695 pounds. To find out more about the teleskid from JCB, click here. Number 3. Easy to clean multitasking level. The Milwaukee Red Stick can be used to screed, smooth, and level. Once you're done, the level is preposterously easy to wipe clean. The Red Stick also has all the great features you would expect from a Milwaukee level. Sharp sight vial technology makes the magnified bubble easy to read, and the Red Stick's magnesium core keeps the level from breaking down. The Milwaukee Red Stick concrete levels are available in 24-inch, 48-inch, and 72-inch, lengths starting at $99.99. Number 2. A tool for the low voltage guys. A trusty pair of electrician scissors is the most used tool of many of the low voltage electricians that we've talked to, and Klein seems to be the go-to brand. If you've never heard of electrician scissors, here is a primer. Of course, like any scissors, Klein's new electrician scissors can cut through stuff with the blades, but they also have a cable cutting notch so you can rip through wire up to 14 AWG. They'll strip 19 and 23 AWG wire all day long and have a notch in the tip for deburring electrical boxes. There's also a scraper on both blades for convenient wire cleaning. Klein's all-purpose electrician scissors are available online and in home centers for $24.35. Number 1. A better subfloor adhesive. Touch and Foam's Gel Foam Subfloor Adhesive might make you want to chuck your caulk and gun for good. It comes in a can and dispenses just like the spray foam insulation everyone is familiar with. It lays down a bead way faster than tube adhesives, but without the endless wrist-busting trigger squeezing, and you'll be able to keep working up to 10 times longer without stopping to reload. There's no downtime due to wet or frozen lumber, and the can is reusable up to 15 days. To use touch and foam subfloor adhesive, you'll need an applicator gun, the same one used for expanding foam. There's also a 46-inch long barrel for the applicator gun that will save your back from a whole lot of bending over. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.